Natural ingredients are essential. They're the fuel to our body. They are the petrol for our car. Premium petrol is what we need today. In the last 10 days, I've been trying this product to see how it works before I share it with you. Well, it's given me my skip, in my zest in my body. It makes me feel wonderful. I don't need to have coffee, which I don't have anyway. With caffeine, you go on a downer and then you need to have a coffee. With this, you don't need it. One shot in the morning. You shake it. Magic Mind. Wonderful product. Magic Mind. And exactly what it says it is. Magic Mind, it is. One shot in the morning before you go out the door and you do what you got to do. You are putting the petrol in your tank. Premium petrol in your tank. I'll tell you exactly the vitamins that it has, and it contains 130 times the antioxidants of green tea. It has matcha. It has organic lions, Maine mushrooms, turmeric, vitamin C, vitamin B complex, vitamin D3, and many more delicious minerals for our body. It supports our attention and memory, working memory, which gives you that sharpness that you need while you're at work or you're at home, wherever you are in the world. Awesome, isn't it? If you go to magicmind.com and then you go into the link, the promo code, and press it, put in Magic Mind /Carmela's Cugina 20, you will receive 50% off your first product. Carmela's Cugina, CARMELAS CUCINA. The founder, Ben Bishara, yes, Ben Bishara founded it. He came at an intersection in his life when his health was at risk, and sometimes the universe brings us to that level, that edge of our life, and says to us, we have to stop. We have to turn around, and what we're doing is not working. And thank you to the Lord that he did that to Ben to help him in his life, because he's given us this wonderful product, Magic Mind. And I want to share it with you. I'm so happy. It's got natural ingredients, nothing that you have to worry about, and it's the fuel for our body. So to go on to magicmind.com /Carmela's Cugina 20, and you will receive 50% off the product today, and get the assistance of Magic Mind before you run out of your own fuel and become the best version of yourself and put some magic in your life today.